Alright, so today we're going to take a look at a really cool site called Museum Box. Now, Museum Box lets you create a virtual or digital storage space where you can store a whole bunch of stuff to make a, quote, argument or description of event, person, or historical period by placing items in the box. So let's start and see how easy it is. This has uses across the curriculum, and it's really fun and simple to use. So, let's start with the basic features. You start by titling your project, so I'm going to talk over here very briefly about EduTecher. And the description, I'm just going to write history. Okay, now each of these little brown boxes actually open up and have 6 sides. They're cubes, and this is a storage box. You can change the way this box looks by going to the bottom right over here to change box. I can choose the colors, the textures, all sorts of things. I'm going to choose a box with 4 cubes, and I'm going to pick a 1-layered box as opposed to a 3. Notice you could store a lot of stuff. So, let's very simply go to change box, and here we go. To start working with the items in the box, I'm going to click on one of the cubes, and it says Building Cube. The cube title over here on the top, I'm going to write Logos. And each one of these sides you can click on, move it around, and you can give a caption and content. Now let's look at the bottom of the screen. You can put an image, text, sound file, video, any sort of attachment file, and a link. That's really cool. So I'm going to start with doing an image real quick. Click on Images. They have a gallery of images you can search through, or you can go to Your Images and sign in. It is a free account. And what I'm going to do is just pick one of the images that I had selected. So that's my first logo that we had 3 years ago. I'm going to just say Add to Cube over here. And I'm going to caption it is 2007 logo. Going to click now to the right, and I'm going to caption this as 2008 logo. And I'm going to go to Images again, My Images, choose the second logo, and add to the cube. You get the idea. So it's really, really easy to do. And when I'm done with this, I can go to OK, and there it is. So I can pick up my cube. You notice it says Logos down here. I can click on the cube and then go around it. Now, when I'm not in editing mode, when I'm actually viewing this, you won't be able to change any of this, so you'll be able to just see the content on the cubes. Now notice, let's say I go to this cube here, I can go to text and very simply type in with a full editor in terms of bold, italic, underline, centering, different things. You could change the font size. You can actually even change the color. So that's really, really simple to use. You could also, as I said, do sounds, and in fact you can actually record right from your computer. Do videos, which allows you to record from your own webcam or to upload a video. And any file you'd like to take and upload to this cube, you can, as well as links, including the address of the link and a title. So over here, we can do edutecher.net, and we can actually call it, click here to go to EduTecher, and next, or save rather. So there you go. This is a really, really easy to use program, and it's a lot of fun. So kids can do this to make memories of different historical figures, of characters in a book, of time periods, all sorts of different things. The possibilities are endless. It's a free login, and notice over here you can save it, start a new one, load a previous one to work on, so you can save and go back. You can submit it to their gallery. You can go to messages and actually type things to the people reviewing your story. So you can actually have kids write you messages, or students could write messages to other students. There's a help function, and you can quit. Going to My Drawer over here would load up any saved cubes that you have. This is a really full-featured program, fantastic. Let's go to Preview right here. This is how the viewer would see it, and they would be able to click from one to the other. And that's it. This is Museum Box. Very cool tool. Check it out.